The Healing Brush tool, accessible by pressing J on the keyboard, is renowned for its versatility and effectiveness in Adobe Photoshop. It's a commonly used tool for various editing tasks. By adjusting the brush size using the square brackets on the keyboard, we can seamlessly edit out unwanted elements from an image, whether it's blemishes, debris, or any undesired items.
By simply clicking on the area we wish to heal, we can remove objects like rocks from a photo and refine the image until we are satisfied with the outcome. The Healing Brush tool is handy for simplifying images and addressing areas where AI tools may have created noticeable seams.
By carefully using the tool to blend these sections, we can achieve a smoother and more cohesive result. Alternating between the Healing Brush tool and the Clone Stamp tool is a practical approach for efficiently editing photos and eliminating unwanted elements from compositions.